This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. For years, we've been told to avoid certain cooking oils and embrace others. But what if some of that advice is completely outdated? Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today, we're ranking the 5 best cooking oils based on scientific evidence, and the results may completely change the way you cook. So, let's get started with number 5, sesame oil. If you've only been using sesame oil for flavor, you might be missing one of its biggest benefits. Sesame oil is rich in heart-healthy unsaturated fats and contains unique antioxidants called sesame and sesamol, which may help reduce inflammation and support healthy cholesterol levels. That's one reason it's earned a place in our top 5. But here's the catch. Its rich flavor and moderate smoke point mean it's best for light cooking or finishing dishes rather than every recipe. But anyone with a sesame allergy should avoid it completely. Now let's move to number 4, canola oil. Canola oil may be the most misunderstood cooking oil on this list. If you've spent time on social media, you've probably heard people say canola oil is unhealthy. But when scientists study it, they reach a very different conclusion. Canola oil is naturally low in saturated fat, rich in monounsaturated fat, and even provides plant omega-3 in the form of alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Research consistently shows that replacing butter or other saturated fats with canola oil can improve LDL cholesterol. It also handles everyday cooking very well thanks to its relatively high smoke point. But the next oil is where things get even more interesting. Number 3 is peanut oil, or groundnut oil. Have you ever wondered why so many restaurants use peanut oil? The answer isn't just taste. Peanut oil has a high smoke point and stays relatively stable during high heat cooking. It's also rich in monounsaturated fats, making it an excellent option for stir-fries and pan-frying. If you frequently cook at high temperatures, this oil performs much better than many people realize. Of course, anyone with a peanut allergy should avoid it completely. Now we're down to the top 2. This next oil has exploded in popularity over the last few years, and for once, the hype is actually justified. Number 2 is avocado oil. Avocado oil is packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and natural vitamin E. But what really makes it stand out is its extremely high smoke point. That means it's one of the best oils for grilling, roasting, and other high-temperature cooking, because it remains relatively stable at high cooking temperatures. Extra virgin avocado oil is also excellent for salads and low-heat cooking, so if avocado oil is this good, what could possibly beat it? The number 1 on the list is extra virgin olive oil. Here's where one of the biggest cooking myths falls apart. Many people believe extra virgin olive oil shouldn't be heated because they think it breaks down quickly. But decades of research shows that's simply not true for normal home cooking. Extra virgin olive oil is naturally rich in powerful antioxidants called polyphenols, along with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. It's the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, one of the most studied eating patterns in the world. Study after study links regular olive oil consumption with lower risks of cardiovascular disease. That's why, despite all the newer oils on the market, extra virgin olive oil still takes the number 1 spot. Before we finish, let's quickly talk about a few oils that didn't make today's ranking. Coconut oil is often marketed as a superfood, but current scientific evidence doesn't support using it as your primary cooking oil because it's extremely high in saturated fat compared with most plant oils. Butter and ghee can also be part of a balanced diet in moderation, but they shouldn't be your main source of cooking fat if your goal is long-term heart health. So what's the takeaway? If you're looking for one everyday cooking oil backed by the strongest scientific evidence, extra virgin olive oil remains the gold standard. If you regularly cook at very high temperatures, avocado oil is an outstanding alternative. Canola, peanut, and sesame oil all deserve a place in a healthy kitchen, especially when used appropriately and in moderation. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which cooking oil is sitting in your kitchen right now? Let us know in the comments. And if this ranking changed your mind, don't forget to subscribe to the Mindhunters for more science-backed nutrition videos. Thanks for watching. We wish you good health.